Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the image and placing it where Google can find it. Give the file a clear, keyword-rich name and write concise alt text. This helps Google understand content. Once ready, upload the image to a public HTML page on your site or an allowed host and make sure robots.txt does not block that path. Also optimize size and format for speed because load time affects crawl frequency. After this step, the image is discoverable and ready for structured markup. Next, give Google strong context by embedding the image in a meaningful HTML page with descriptive headings and visible text that relates to the photo. Once done, mark up the image with schema. Org image object or JSON LD to communicate caption, license, and creator. Make the img tag use src set for responsive delivery. Also add the image URL to your XML sitemap or a dedicated image sitemap so crawlers can find it faster. After these steps, crawling and indexing odds improve significantly. Finally, verify visibility by using Google Search Console. Inspect the page URL containing the image and request indexing. Then monitor the performance and coverage reports to confirm the image appears in image impressions and clicks. Make sure the page is crawlable over time and that structured data remains intact. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: check robots.txt, meta-noindex tags, CDN or hotlink protection, and server response codes, because those are the most common blockers to Google Images indexing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.